Litecoin has been the third cryptographic money by market capitalization for quite a while. This crypto coin has been dynamic for more than 9 years at this point and has figured out how to find actual success for the majority of this period. Right now, it is as yet positioned among the main 30 cryptographic forms of money by market cap. Of late, there has been a great deal of talk occurring about how Litecoin has tumbled off. These days, all moving tokens are either connected to major areas of strength for bring a ton to the table other than being a store of significant worth, or are basically sufficiently peculiar to be seen by tycoons. In spite of having a strong specialized establishment, Litecoin doesn't actually have any of those things. In any case, this digital currency is as yet pressing onward, and we are probably going to see the cost and market cap of Litecoin rise again from now on. In this video, we'll investigate Litecoin's basics and its possibilities as a drawn-out venture. Kindly recollect that our LTC cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation exhortation, and you ought to do your own exploration prior to concluding regardless of whether it's a wise venture. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a decentralized distributed digital currency made by Charlie Lee, a previous Google representative, in 2011. The LTC network was intended to take care of its senior siblings' organization issues, for example, exchange speed, versatility, and high commission charges for each monetary exchange made on the blockchain. Litecoin used to be one of the primary digital forms of money individuals learned of when they entered the market. As a fork of Bitcoin, the LTC network depends on the BTC convention. A portion of the things they share for all intents and purpose are namelessness, decentralization, the capacity to be mined, and the agreement system. In 2016, Litecoin turned into the second greatest digital money, surpassing all current altcoins around then. The task pointed not exclusively to help the pace of Litecoin's cost development, yet in addition to advance LTC as a trustless shared mode of trade. Computerized resources like ethereum, which were more mechanically progressed than the Litecoin digital currency, pulled in more crypto financial backers. These days, LTC is as yet utilized for speedy and modest exchanges. However, a great deal of Litecoin expectations express that the coin needs more extensive reception and more organizations to sparkle really. Litecoin Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Litecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Litecoin will be $118.83. The greatest level that the LTC cost can reach is $142.33. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $123.02. Likely return for capital invested, 68.7% by LTC value estimate for January 2023 in light of the value changes of Litecoin toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical LTC pace of $88.05 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $79.66 and at $90.57 individually. Possible return on initial capital investment, 7.3% by February 2023. Litecoin value conjecture digital money specialists are prepared to report their figure for the LTC cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $87.38, while the most extreme could reach $94.97 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Litecoin may be around $91.57. Likely return for money invested, 12.6% by LTC value figure for WALK 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Litecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal LTC rate they anticipate may be around $95.24 in WALK 2023. It can drop to $91.88 as a base. The greatest worth may be $99.55. Expected return for money invested, 18% by April 2023. Litecoin value figure around mid-year 2022. The LTC cost will be exchanged at $97.14 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Litecoin worth to $103.36. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $92.95 in April 2023. Likely return for money invested, 22.5% by LTC value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Litecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023. $100.05. The most reduced and top LTC rates may be $95.86 and $107.24. Likely return on initial capital investment, 27.1% by June 2023. Litecoin value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the LTC cost will be around $104.06. In June 2023, the Litecoin cost might drop to at least $99.86. The normal pinnacle worth may be $111.25 in June 2023. Possible return for capital invested. 31.9% by LTC value estimate for July 2023. Having broke down Litecoin costs, digital money specialists expect that the LTC rate could arrive at a limit of $116.45 in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $102.78. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Litecoin is almost $106.14. Possible return for money invested. 38% by August 2023. Litecoin value gauge around mid-2022. The Litecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $110.38. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the LTC cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $107.03 and $121.76. Possible return for money invested. 44.3% by LTC value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Litecoin worth won't dip under at least $110.34. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $127.28. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $113.70. Possible return for money invested. 50.9% by October 2023. Litecoin value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of LTC costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Litecoin will be around $132.96, with a chance of dropping to at least $111.78. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $115.97. Likely return for capital invested. 57.6% by LTC value figure for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Litecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical LTC pace of $118.29 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $114.94 and at $137.60. Separately, likely return for money invested. 63.1% by December 2023. Litecoin value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the LTC cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $118.83, while the greatest could reach $142.33 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Litecoin may be around $123.02. Expected return for capital invested. 68.7% by Litecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Litecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Litecoin will be around $177.35. The greatest expected LTC cost might be around $209.22. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $182.27 in 2024. Litecoin value forecast 2025.